Before this video starts, I just want to personally hop on here and say thank you to everyone who supported the Cheers collection that went live this morning at 10 a.m. You guys sold out the drop in about 5 minutes. Although the t-shirts and sweatshirts are gone, for those who are interested in the pins, we still have a few of those on the site, so if you want to, I'll link it down below. Thank you guys so much for your constant love and support, and now let's get to today's video. Here we are on day 2 of finishing up Daniel's car, and today's gonna go really quick because we're just gonna repeat everything that we did yesterday today. So our main goal is gonna be to complete this side, and you guys already know how we're gonna do this. We're gonna start from the back because that's where we got our anchor points, and we're gonna work our way forward. Because we always keep moving forward, Calvin.
We never really explained this on the other side, but what we're doing is we're taking 2 pieces, holding them together, seeing where the 2 pieces like to sit, and then I'm gonna anchor down the rear bumper piece to where TJ will come in and put in a self-tapper so it holds it in place. And we do that as we go. So 2 pieces held together, 1 piece bolted down until we get to the front. Ease peas, boys. This is gonna take us an hour, bud. Calvin and I honestly flying through this because we're just repeating everything we did yesterday, and I'm using little shortcuts like using fender pieces that we cut off yesterday and then putting it up as a template and retracing it so I know exactly how much to cut every single time. This is honestly something I've thought about including a cutout template of how you can cut your kit to do the least amount of cutting possible. Something I've always thought about but I've never actually put into motion, but the more I do more and more kits, the more I'm like, wow, it'd actually be super helpful to include that for people. I wasn't filming it, but I was cutting out the fender liner plastic hanging out right there. And some of the hot plastic melted and shot off the wheel and landed on my arm where I wasn't wearing any like material. And literally just cooked right through my skin. It doesn't look like much, but man, that was hot and it hurt real bad. And now it stings like a bitch. Kit is installed all the way, or at least all the way of what we're gonna be doing, and we're taking this to SOS to get body work and ready for paint. Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby! Hey, look at this! It's Calvin. It's literally Calvin. Easy on the oh, you got it. You're good. Woo! I don't know where to put it. I've never seen so many Street Hunter stuff on different Supras at one time. Like, check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Hello. Hello? Can I show it or no?
You show it.
I can show it? I've never seen the HKS Widebody in person before. Actually, I saw it at SEMA. This thing is absolutely crazy. So to my knowledge, it's the Rocket Bunny kit. But, wait, so it's the Rocket Bunny with like some flair, right? Or is it not?
Yeah, I mean...
But it is Rocket Bunny. Or like, it's like a...
made by Pandem, right? So it's...
I don't know. But I could be totally wrong, but to what I think, it's like the Rocket Bunny rear and front, and I could be totally wrong. That's what my understanding was. It's like a different variant. It's very open, and the whole back is like
you need to measure.
I don't even know.
This is freaking wide.
It's huge. But this is like a Pandem style. I don't know. I don't want to speak incorrectly, but yeah, because this is the Rocket Bunny like duck bill thing.
And it has like these little flares that it is a freaking Pandem, right? Made for HKS.
I think. I don't know.
Is this a race car?
No, it's a street car, bro.
Street car.
It's a street car. Holy! And you guys give me shit. That's, what is that, 75 mil? 50's like that.
So this has got to be like a 75. Wow.
Monka big.
Like literally straight up, like literally just go straight up like what, 15, 20 miles, and we're literally in the same exact geographic location.
Yeah, but it rained on us.
Yo, all I'm saying is doing a truck like this, doing like an LS swap and making it modern inside would be pretty badass. This truck got me inspired and got me thinking about it, but nothing gets me as hyped as the way this truck looks. We're gonna pull up and unload all of his wheels and his front bumper, and then we're gonna be heading home, boys.
Well, unfortunately today's video came to a halt. About a week ago I told you guys that my grandma was really sick and wasn't looking too well, and today he ended up passing away, which is something that I think as a family we were like ready for, and just previously like 2 weeks ago like my grandma died, which is so weird to think that my grandma would pass and then within 2 weeks, 3 weeks, my grandpa would die. I never used to believe in what they would say, dying of a broken heart. I never used to really believe in that or really think that was a real thing until about like right now. It's just a lot to comprehend. I've never really believed in that, but I do believe in that now. But again, I'm not trying to be sad. I don't want this to be a sad video. I know this video literally got cut in half. I know this video is really short. I don't even know if this video will even go up because I don't even know if there's even like at least 5 minutes of footage. I don't even know. Once I like got the news, I just like kind of put the camera down and never really picked it back up. But before I end this video, I want to say that in yesterday's video, I told you guys, hey, if you stay to the end, leave a comment down below and let me know, because that support is awesome. I really appreciate that. It really shows you really care, so that's awesome. Just in the first few hours of the video being up, there's over 4,000 comments from you guys who commented, hey, I stayed till the end, and you only would have known that if you would have stayed to the end, so thank you. I don't really know what else to say, so I think I'm just gonna end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out, and keep moving forward.